The American dream is dimming. For Indian tech professionals, it's starting to look like a dead end. H1B visa rules are changing fast. The lottery is on its way out. Green cards are facing decades-long delays. And even student visas are crashing. If you're Indian in STEM or already on OPT, these reforms could decide where you build your future. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security is moving toward a wage-based H-1B selection system. That means only the highest-paid applicants stand a chance. Entry-level tech jobs? Almost gone. Teachers, researchers, nonprofit workers? Even harder, and the green card backlog is already brutal. Some Indian nationals face 80 to 100 years of waiting. With family-based applications under fire, even that narrow path is choking further. The numbers tell the story. H-1B registrations dropped nearly 27% this year. Student visas for Indians plunged 31% between January and May and were down 50% by July. More than 4,000 visa cancellations have hit Indian applicants since February, often without clear reasons. Experts are calling the new H-1B a luxury work permit. One Redditor summed it up. The lottery isn't about luck anymore. It's about salary brackets. So what can you do? Negotiate higher salaries, target level 3 or level 4 wages. Explore alternate routes like O1 or EB2 NIW. Look at countries like Canada, Germany, and Australia, which are actively welcoming Indian talent. Don't rely only on H-1B. Explore startup visas, research pathways, and employer-specific options. And keep track of your visa deadlines. Policy is shifting by the month. This isn't just a crackdown. It's a turning point in U.S. immigration history. Tell us in the comments, are you considering other countries now? What's your backup plan if H-1B doesn't work? Subscribe for real-time updates on how these changes impact Indian professionals.